I am Nancy Yousef. I am a supply chain expert. I work as a consultant for JSI project in Iraq. We need to strengthen the supply chain system in Iraq related to reproductive health, commodities. Um, I am based in Egypt, but I work for this project in Iraq. And as you know, in Middle East, we faced many challenges related to some political changes, some administrative changes. So you will, if you reflect what you have learned and what you face or ever faced before, so you will be motivated to improve the health outcomes for everyone you can reach. So this motivates me how to be prepared to work as a humanitarian worker and how to provide all the support or all the knowledge, experience, whatever I can provide to improve their situation or their suffering. Before I go to my first visit to Iraq, I was asked to complete this course related to safety and security. I was impressed about the content, about the way it is delivered. And once I finished the course, I shared the certificate and I was happy. But and I realized the importance of this course when I was actually in the field. And suddenly at night, I heard the alarm, which is a fire alarm. I was so frightened and I was confused somehow because this is my first time to hear this fire alarm. And I am alone and it's midnight, another country. But I thank God I remembered all what I have learned during this course as a flash. So, okay, don't open the door, don't open the window. Try to investigate what is the situation, but not to expose yourself to any harm, and how to behave and how to be somehow cool as much as I can. And I appreciated this course for this situation, to be honest, much than I have during taking this course. It is a very good course that I recommend to everyone to take. For me as a trainee, I enrolled for many platforms, many training materials, many courses, but most of them are in English. And as you know, if you have a course which is in English, there is some barrier. Not all people can understand English. In DisasterReady, they have a courses in Arabic and English and French. So we have different audience, and every audience can select which is appropriate to their needs. Project management as a title itself, it is very attractive to me because in humanitarian sector, we have many tasks and you can divide this as a project and you need to identify what is needed task and how can you prioritize your needs, how can you identify different phases, how you allocate resources, how can you design the different phases of the project, how can you set indicators, all of these aspects. I have previously some knowledge because I worked as a program specialist, monitoring and evaluation. But when I joined this course, I find it is well organized and you will identify what is needed and what you have to do and what is the best practice. I recommended this course for my husband who didn't work for humanitarian sector. It is not only valid for people work for humanitarian sector or for health programs or for any activities related to the non-profit or even private sector. So I recommended this course for him. And also I shared this certificate with my friends and colleagues on social media, and they are motivated to be enrolled for this project. We need to continually develop our capabilities and be knowledgeable. And I appreciate DisasterReady when you have new course or some course related to my learning objectives, which you support me to select. Don't be somehow stopped or not to be suppressed if you failed to take the certificate from the first time. And even if you didn't pass from the first time, keep trying and know more, because it will be valuable in your future career.